Hello everyone. Today I will explain whether you can buy an Amazon gift card with Google Play Balance. The truth is simple. You cannot buy an Amazon gift card using your Google Play Balance. There is no official way to do this. Google Play Balance only works inside the Google Play Store and nowhere else. If you want to save money, the best thing you can do is use your Google Play Balance for what it is made for. You can buy movies, games, apps, books, or subscriptions inside the Play Store. If you are already planning to spend real money on these things, using your Play Balance instead helps you keep that money for something else. What you cannot do is use Google Play Balance outside the Play Store. You cannot use it on Amazon, you cannot withdraw it as cash, and you cannot buy other store gift cards with it. You may see some third-party websites online that claim they can convert your Google Play Balance or Google Play gift cards into Amazon gift cards. You should be very careful with these sites. Many of them are risky, charge high fees, or are simply scams. Using them can also put your Google account in danger. Thanks for watching.